My play is Carvana. Speaking of crashing yet again on news, this time from the Wall Street Journal. The online used car seller is, quote, quietly terminating employees, cutting hours and letting open positions go unfilled. That's according to the Journal. Carvana laid off 4,000 employees, 1/5 of its staff last year. JXCE data shows fourth quarter sales are expected to fall to 86,000 from 113,000 a year prior, same quarter. Cars sitting on the site 97 days on average. That's up from 65. One component, if you want more news, of Thursday's CPI index, a nearly 9% drop in prices of used cars and trucks over the prior year. Good news for you and I, not so much for Carvana. Their stock soared 40% on Wednesday on what appeared to be a meme trading day along with Bed Bath & Beyond. But then that ran back out of gas. So they're down 95% in the last 12 months. And as you can see, dropping 12% today as well. As I look through a real estate perspective, Shauna, if this were to go, this is a lot like movie theaters. Movie theaters are on a slanted ground. No one knows what will happen if movie theaters go away with that real estate. It's almost impossible to convert them. These giant vending machines, many of which are sitting empty across the country, what can become of them? I'm not saying they're done yet, but they are circling.
They are circling. They're doing all they can to stay alive, but they have over $7 billion in debt. They need to do something. Laying off 1/5 of their workforce last year, quietly laying off firing some of their employees today or in recent days isn't going to do the trick. There's so many questions out there about what is exactly in store for this company. Is it even an option that they are going to be able to turn it around? You mentioned the fact that cars are sitting on their site for much longer. They're not able to sell it.
100 days.
Exactly. And with the car prices falling, the longer that they sit on it, the more and more money that Carvana loses. So clearly a uphill battle for that company.
And just another story of sort of coming back to life when we talk about these stocks and these meme stocks, right? It was a big week for meme stocks. Carvana up almost 60% on the week. But the real fundamental news isn't there. It was the same thing with the messy stock we talked about and sort of a trend we're seeing in the market right now, Dave.
Certainly. All right, Josh, thanks so much for hopping on here for that.